welcome you to our group presentation. Our topic is developing an e-logistics system with a case study. Here's our team members, and you can see in the slide. In order for you to follow easily, here's our table of contents. So first, we will move to the introduction. So over time, logistics has evolved from single-party logistics, self-managed, to third-party logistics, 3PL. And the primary goals of outsourcing logistics service are to reduce operating costs, satisfy demand change, and reduce capital investment. So let's move on to the background of our research. So e-logistics considers four important components. And the web-based logistic information system offer various advantages because they require move to the next part, that is a conceptual framework for developing an e-logistics system. So the objective of e-logistics are first to reduce operating costs, secondly to meet product delivery times, and last to improve customer services. And this conceptual framework has four dimensions. So we go to strategic planning. So for strategic planning for e-logistics should based on strategic alliance between partners related to logistics. This planning should utilize the applications of EDI, which is Electronic Data Interchange, the Internet, and World Wide Web. And focusing on strategic planning will improve the performance of not only the logistics value chain, but also the whole organization. For partnership formation, nowadays many businesses are merging and acquiring to streamline their service offerings. The major goal is to concentrate on one partners and one organization called competencies. Partnership formation for e-logistics should be based on the level of using internet technology. This would result in many benefits like the development of an IT platform, a larger customer base, technology transfers, and diffusion. It's important to ensure that clients and partners have the right information technology and online information services to provide integrated e-logistics service. Next, the inventory management in e-logistics requires real-time information so that the volumes and location of different material can be tracked and updated. These elements such as MRP, DRP, and ERP are necessary for good inventory management. So the web-assisted inventory control system will have all the parties involved in logistics services and material flow control. For information management, nowadays logistics have become global, so web-based information systems are widely used by many companies to track orders and communicate with both customers and suppliers. IT logistics such as EDI, RFID, mobile commerce will also be required. GPS can be used to locate shipment in transit of the assets and cargo from origin to destination. An e-logistic management system consists of warehouse management system, a fleet management system, and depending upon the scope of the logistics company involved, an appropriate information network is important. B2B2C, business to business to customer e-commerce can be used for integrating the activity of suppliers and customers along the logistic value chain. This demonstrates the importance of the technology. Now, we'll move to the important part of our presentation, that is a case study. We focus on a logistic company called e-commerce logistics, denoted by ECL, located in Hong Kong. So for company background, ECL operate service center in North America and Europe. With headquarters in Hong Kong, it is the top provider of technology-enabled logistics and order management in Greater China. It's aimed to provide 24 hours service in customer care, warehousing, orders, processing, transportation, and logistics. For more information about the company background, you can see on our report. For more precise data collection, some of the essential positions of ECL such as COO, managing directors, and several senior managers are interviewed. The information gathered focus on how the organization has been effective in using IT application, particularly the internet and web-based information system, in their logistics operation. It also covers the company history, early strategy, and future plan. We believe that all the business can utilize this information to identify the crucial success element when creating internet-enabled logistics system or e-logistics. For the case analysis, the purpose of this case study is to discuss the conceptual model created in the preceding section and to look into how a company has used an e-commerce or web-based information system to successfully manage e-logistics. ECL focused on four flow concepts: information flow, material flow, property flows, and cash flow. For strategic planning for logistics, ECL began providing logistics service with over 5 components of e-logistics, including first, order management. It developed a tailored B2B e-commerce system with a main strategy to avoid conflicting information about available stock and physical inventory. Second is return management, reverse logistics. The company was able to improve its customer service by measuring the percentage of defective products, physical inventory, and net available products for immediate delivery to customer. This allowed the return of products to the supply chain and the transport back to the relevant warehouse. For deliveries, the company aimed to deliver goods on time and reduce delay anywhere along the logistic value chain. By using real-time logistic information, ECL can control their logistic operation and their cost. For warehousing and distribution, one of the company's key success reasons is its ability to quickly enter new markets, having a large number of warehouses in Greater China that are linked to a CRM, customer relationship management application system, and an online real-time inventory system. Besides, it had a large warehouse in Shanghai to take better advantage of being closer to customers and reduce distribution costs. And lastly, order services. With the assistance of expert system ES, artificial intelligence AI, and a database of standards and specifications, the lack of requirement from customer and product provider can be solved. ECL can raise its level of customer service due to its advantage compared to other companies. For partnership development, in order to establish a market for its logistics operation, ECL target regional multinational cooperation with its B2B and assist small and medium-sized enterprise in growing their enterprise. ECL choose its partner depending on their ability to understand the logistic requirement of ECL customer, opportunity alignment, and integrate them into an e-logistics system, ability to gain share. Without taking into account these elements, the logistic value provider will not be integrated. From this perspective, the business that ECL chose as partner must be online and boast the essential knowledge of e-logistics service. For information system, to manage its e-logistics on a worldwide scale, it uses an online platform and has 4 key partnerships. The company backlogs all items. It has a main bulk storage area for heavy items and a detail picking area for loose items. It's also an area to store fast-moving items, and cameras are put in warehouse in order for customers to view their stock physically online. Formerly, ECL used to have 2 to 3 weeks worth of safety stock. Since a B2B logistic information system was put in place, the safety stock level had dropped to just 2 days. Besides, its online partner added in better integration with its collaboration companies. It reduced duplication of work because the aggregation of items is done in real life. So the following benefits are a result of ECL web platform. Next is inventory management. People have obstacles to understand the complex information system is the reason why the company decided to go for a simple and effective web-based real-time information system. Since the system has easy access to current stock information and delivery information, customers are able to directly control stock through the internet thanks to the online real-time inventory control system. The company believes in an information system that is easy to use and develop. In order to reduce delay in delivering goods, the company plan is to use time for electronic signature. By calculating the value and quantity of products in transit instead of in warehouse, ECL assess the effectiveness of its operation, and KPI are in place at ECL to track them. Now, let's come to the final part, that is summaries and conclusion. To summarize, effective 3BL management is critical for combating regionally and globally since IT or IS connects the various operations along the logistic value chain. E-logistics will expand as an explosive rate in the future, and this will have a significant impact on pricing and charging system in the business. And this is the end of our presentation. Thanks for your listening. If you have any questions, please add it below on your comments. We are willing to help with our knowledge. Thank you.